I said, "Excuse me, sir. Can I get the best men's fragrances in here?" All hail the beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we are back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Listen, today I'm here with an unboxing of the best men's fragrances from, well, Bath and Body Works. Now listen, here's the deal. All right, I don't know what these fragrances smell like. I haven't smelled them, but we're going to do a giveaway with this, so stick around if you care to try these out. Now, I'm calling them the best fragrances from Bath and Body Works because that's what I asked for. I had no time to smell around. I said, "Excuse me, sir. Can I get the best men's fragrances in here?" And he said, "Okay." Got a little cart, a little something, tote, and he said, "There you go, sir." And that was it. So today we're going to talk about them. We're going to unbox them a bit. They don't come with any wrapper on them. And then we'll talk about them. And then ultimately, I'm going to give you some. So there we have it. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get down to Big Beard Business. So as I mentioned, I was walking through the mall, but my wife has sent me on the mission to go into Sephora, which I have done before for in-store pickup. And I passed Bath and Body Works, which I've often done. But I've never been in Bath and Body Works. And since the last time I've been there, I was early high school with my cousin, something like that. I went in and I asked the guy for the best fragrances that they have. And these are the ones that he loaded me up with. Now, likely, it's all they had available, but we shall see. Now, the first one I want to start off is this one here called Graphite. Now, when I think of graphite, I think of like diamonds and things like that, because under pressure, you know what happens. But I also think that this fragrance could be a little bit dark, maybe mysterious in a way, but we shall see. This is your box. Now, if you are the winner of today's giveaway, you will get a bottle of Graphite, because not only did I have him pick out these fragrances for me, the ones that he had multiple bottles of, I said, give me multiple bottles. And that's what he did. Now, they didn't have a lot of stuff available, it seems, because he only gave me 3. So there we go. All right, Graphite. All right, not bad on the distribution. Now, these fragrances aren't like expensive, so it's not like it cost me a ton. A couple $100 to get all of them. Okay, not bad. This is not bad. Not great, but not bad. Now, I was thinking this fragrance was going to be dark. Because when I think of graphite, I think of, you know, darker things, but also in some lights, graphite can be bluish or grayish. I guess that's what the box is all about. This one's clean, refreshing, and a bit woody, okay? Yeah, not a bad scent. The next fragrance up we have is Noir. Now, Noir is French for black, so maybe this one will be darker than graphite. All right, there we go. Very simple presentation. Noir. There we have it. All right, boom. Now, if you have experience with Bath and Body Works fragrances, I would love to know what you feel these fragrances are like. Which one is your favorite? Okay. In the air, I got something that was a little bit powdery on this scent, but on paper, it's okay. Not bad. Okay, that powderiness is coming back to this. Now, as I'm smelling this, it's not like an overpowering freshness or powderiness there. It's almost like a vanilla. It's almost sweet, but not dark. I was expecting something with the name like Noir to be dark, to be something that is more winter and fall proof, that colder weather, but I don't think it would be really potent out and about. Next up, we got Clear Horizon. Now, obviously, these are just super fast first impressions, and then I'll go back around to them and see how they smell if they've been sitting on paper for a bit. Clear Horizons. Now, Clear Horizons is one of the fragrances that I have 2 of. Now, I don't know what to expect with this one. I've been wrong so far. With Clear Horizons, I'm thinking it's something that's going to be bright, fresh, maybe even green. Maybe even a green scent that could go well for spring and summer. More so spring, as I'm thinking of Clear Horizons, I'm thinking about, you know, new beginnings, okay? There we go. What if Clear Horizons like a green Irish tweed clone? I'm not sure. It's probably not, but okay. Now, Clear Horizon to me has a familiar smell to it, but I can't pinpoint what this smells similar to. Definitely not 100% like it. Very woody, more maybe some sandalwood within the scent, and it also has some zestiness to it, which I like. Oh, I wish I could put my finger on what that fragrance smells like, but it does remind me of something. Not a bad scent, but it's not the best that I've smelled so far between the three. I'll come back to this one because that one isn't. Oh man, maybe I'm lying. Maybe that is the best one so far. That's not a bad scent. I like that one. All right, so next up we have Marble. Now Marble probably has the most interesting box, but you know how I feel about that. Fuck the box. Now Marble, maybe this is like a blend of something dark, a blend of something fresh, and then we get this marble feel. The presentation on this one is clear. So I would imagine that this one could be fresher than the others simply because the other bottles were a bit darker or the juice there was darker. Now differences I'm noting, some of the other ones had a gold atomizer distribution piece here, and the other ones, well, this one is like a darker silver or graphite. All right, let's hop into this. Marble, what do you have to offer? Not much of anything. Okay, so right there, let me spray more because maybe this is just so light that I gotta spray it all night. Okay, so diving back into Marble, this one is very easy to wear. It's like it's almost nothing there. I think if you were in healthcare services or if you were in an office setting where people complained about fragrances, etc., then I think that this one would be a nice personal space fragrance. Not bad. It's just not popping. You guys saw how much I sprayed. Like, it's just not boom. Just not beast mode and popping, but it's not a bad scent. And I think there's a place for that, right? Maybe a little woody, maybe a little salty. Woods, salt, very light and refreshing. Not a bad fragrance. Again, I think that fragrance would be good, and that's Marble that we're speaking of. That one would be good for a close office setting. Again, one that you wear, you're not trying to offend anyone, almost like you want to have nothing on. Could be a good fragrance to go to sleep in because some of us wear fragrances to sleep. Bourbon is the next one. Now, I think I've heard people talk about this one before as being one of the better ones. However, I have never smelled it. So we're gonna dive into it. The closest thing that I've come down to Bath and Body Works fragrances is, you guys know my story. I was in love with By Man by Dolce & Gabbana, the one in the zebra print bottle. And what we used to do is pair that one with a peach papaya body lotion from Bath and Body Works, but it was my cousin, so we used to steal it from her. All right, and it was really, really nice, that combination. I actually got that combination from her boyfriend. He had to wear a lotion one day, sprayed that on, boom, killed it. All right, I'm not sure if they still have it. If they do, I should go back and see if they have that peach papaya body lotion. If you guys know, comment that for me because I do have the, okay. This one's good. Yeah, this one's good. So this one is Bourbon, right? Yeah, I like this. Now, Bourbon to me immediately hit me different than the other ones. Now, although the bottles on the other ones were darker, right? I find that Bourbon has a darker edge to it. A little more moody, but not aggressive. It's a little understated in its sense. Now, with a name like Bourbon, I would expect this fragrance to be boozy, but you would imagine that it's a Bath and Body Works scent, right? It's not like a super high-end fragrance, so it's not like overtly boozy at all. In fact, this one is quite enjoyable. Now, before spraying Bourbon, I was in the middle of a story, right? I do have the PARFUMS vintage version of By Man, so if they do have that one, that body lotion, I should still pair it together. See, it has the same impact all the years later. Now with Bourbon, again, I'm not getting anything that's like boozy, but I am getting maybe some amber within the scent, and I like it. And the final one that we have here is Ocean. All right. And I think that one should be self-explanatory in terms of what that should smell like. It should smell like the ocean. All right, so for Ocean, gotta get a new test strip here. For Ocean, I'm expecting something that is fresh, marine, aquatic, salty, airy, all of those descriptors for marine, oceanic scents. Oh, that's enjoyable. Yeah, there's this floral component there that is just, oh man, that's nice. Ocean is it. Yeah, I do like this one. Spring day, summer day, fine, loungewear, casual, yeah, this could work. Ocean has something that is ever so slightly green or floral within that. Very open, very airy. I like this scent. I do like that one. So let me go back through the other ones that we talked about so far, continue on my first impression, and then we'll get into me giving away what I do have extra. So first fragrance that we dealt with was Graphite. Okay, this one has dried down really, really nice. When I first sprayed Graphite, I was like, okay, it's good. Not great, but not bad. Yeah, that dries down completely different than it opened, and I find this one enjoyable as well. Now, so far on the dry down with this one, it's a bit darker than it opened up. I find that the fragrance opened up a little bit fresh to my nose versus what I was expecting. Not bad. The second fragrance that we dove into was that of Noir. Now with Noir, I was really expecting something darker, and I believe, if I remember correctly, I felt that Graphite was a little bit darker than Noir, so let's hop into it. Yeah, okay, so this one, so far, pretty linear. Yeah, Graphite's better than Noir to me. This one's more warm though, for sure. I think I felt that had a powdery component to it. Still there ever so slightly, but it's more of a orient spice there. Yeah, again, not bad, not great. I would choose others if I was choosing one before I would choose Noir. Clear Horizons, this one is a winner. Clear Horizon is a winner, winner chicken dinner. Fresh, a little greenness to the scent. I'm a fan of that one. And that one right now is projecting a bit more than the other two in terms of way that's staying. Now, I'm not sure how much I sprayed of that one versus the others. I tried to do them equally with the exception of this one, but that is a nice scent. Now, next we go into Marble. Marble, when that dried down, is more citrusy now than it did when it opened up. Fresh, maybe even some orange or some type of citrus note there. Yeah, I'm not sure where the orange would come from in terms of what part of the world, but maybe some orange here. Not bad. The only downfall of that fragrance is I'm not sure what the longevity of these scents would be, and with that one being so light and me having to spray so heavy to get what I got from it, I would be afraid that one would suffer from longevity, all right, performance, projection, etc. Bourbon's the next one up. Yeah, Bourbon's good. Amber, rich for what this fragrance is, easy to wear. This one has a slightly sensual edge to it, but also it's still a bit clean. And I enjoyed that about this scent. So that one's good there too. And then finally here we have Ocean. I'm coming back to this one. Yeah, Ocean's a winner. Ocean's a winner. So for me, there are 4 that are better than the other 2, but none of them are horrible, which is great because they get to sit in my collection. However, we're gonna give away some. And the 3 that I have to give away are Clear Horizon, Noir, and Graphite. All right, so those are the 3 that I have to give away. That's just how the cookie crumbled, okay, in terms of what they had available for extra fragrances, supply issues, etc. Now, I picked these fragrances up a few weeks ago, maybe 2-3 weeks ago from the time of me filming this video, let alone who knows when I'm going to release this video. But I'm going to do 1 week from today. Just comment down below, what of these fragrances that we talked about today do you think you would like the most? All right, what I'm going to do is go through, randomly pick one of those comments down. Make sure you actually comment that, because I do check that to say, hey, did you at least do that portion of it, right? And then you will win all 3 of these fragrances. I will ship these out to you, and then you will have 3 new fragrances in your collection. That's the least I could do for you rocking with me. Now, if you have other fragrances from Bath & Body Works that I need to try, comment that down below as well, because your boy needs to hop on them and collect them all like Pokemon. All right, as always, I'm your boy, Big B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend that we are back again. And you already know what I need you to do. Just hit the goddamn bell.